What if I told you that scientists may have already detected signs of alien life, but they just can't prove it yet? Sounds crazy, right? But in the last few years, new telescopes and groundbreaking research pushed the search for extraterrestrial life to the whole new level. And the latest discovery might just change everything we thought we knew about the life in the universe. Today we are diving deep into how scientists hunt for life beyond our solar system. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might never look at the night sky the same way again. It all started in 1995 when astronomers made a discovery that shocked the scientific world. The first confirmed exoplanet orbiting a sun-like star. Before that, we had no idea if planets outside our solar system even existed. Fast forward to today, we have confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets, some of them suspiciously Earth-like. So how do we separate the ones that are just barren rocks from the ones that might be teeming with life? Scientists have developed 5 powerful methods to search for alien life. Each one is crazier than the last, and trust me, you won't believe what they found so far. Not every planet can support life. It needs to be in the so-called Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist. That's our first big clue in the search for alien life. Take Kepler 442b for example. Scientists believe this exoplanet is one of the best candidates for alien life. Why? It's the right distance from its star, it likely has a rocky surface, and well, let's just say it has few surprises. We'll get into the moment. Here's where it gets wild. Imagine looking at an exoplanet light years away and being able to tell what's in its air without ever visiting it. Sounds impossible. Well, scientists do this all the time using something called spectroscopy. When light from a star passes through a planet's atmosphere, it leaves a fingerprint, a chemical signature, and here is a kicker. If we find oxygen, methane, or even complex molecules like chlorofluorocarbons, it could mean one thing: life. In 1977, a powerful radio signal was detected from deep space. Scientists call it a wow signal because it was unlike anything we'd ever seen. But here's the mystery: we never heard it again. Was it an alien message or just cosmic noise? Today we are scanning the skies with projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, and China's FAST telescope, listening for anything unusual. And guess what? Just last year, astronomers detected a bizarre signal from Proxima Centauri, our closest neighboring star. But what does it mean? We are not just looking for little green men. We are searching for biosignatures, evidence that an alien world is alive. And recently, scientists just found something that shouldn't be there on Venus: phosphine, a gas that on Earth is only produced by life. Could it mean something is lurking in the Venusian clouds? While Venus is still up for debate, the search for biosignatures continues. And with James Webb Space Telescope scanning atmosphere like never before, we might be on the verge of a game-changing discovery. We have come a long way since we just started looking for alien worlds. But with new telescopes, AI-driven space probes, and upcoming missions to Europa and Zelda's moons, the answer to whether we are alone might be closer than we think. So what do you think? Will we find the alien life in the next decade, or is the universe keeping its biggest secret from us? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care.